guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. I wanted to announce the winners of the giveaways today. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. So before we get started, I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and are enjoying the time off with your family if you get time off during this time. Yeah, we didn't really do much. We stayed home. I had reservations. I canceled them. We were going to go to church. I canceled it. Texas is just rampant with the coronavirus, so we just wanted to be ultra cautious, and I think now's the time to kind of, be even more strict, and that's what we're doing. So when I announce the winners, all you have to do, guys, is email me. So my email address is in the description box. I'll put it at the top. It's usually at the bottom. I'll put it in the top. You have to email me so that I know your address so that I can send your goodies to you. Y'all, I think 3 days. So it's the holidays. I'm gonna say 3 days, and then I'm gonna choose another winner. I hope that's fair. I think that's fair. Because otherwise it just, it delays things and then it freaks me out. So from the very first, or one of the very first giveaways, this was the Juno kit that Juno did, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Because I had a Juno kit that I did, but that has already been mailed and the subscriber has already received it. And that's another thing. If you guys could please let me know that you did receive it, it just makes me feel better. The person that had won this kit was Beehivechristy. I'm going to put the names here and I'm going to put them in the description box and what you had won. So Beehivechristy, please email me. The Estée Lauder Sparkle Kit, this one was won by Donna Moray, M-O-R-A-Y, well, it's right here, Moray. So you won this. Just again, email me so that I can mail it off to you. The next, the Estée Lauder Breast Cancer Awareness Kit, as well as the Estée Lauder lip glosses. That is Lisa Parent. Congratulations. Again, just email me your address, please. And then the Kendra Scott necklace, Tina Palmer. Congratulations, Tina. She's been a long-time subscriber of mine. It doesn't matter. It's completely random, y'all. You won the Kendra Scott necklace that does go with everything. That was her comment. It's funny, when the comment picker, I'm going to show you how it works. Because I'm going to give a few things away. I'm going to pick them right now and just give them to the people that you'll see. But anyways, she was excited to get this, so yay. So Tina, I probably already have your address, but email it to me anyways. And then the Foreo. So this is the mini Foreo, and then it includes the H2 overdose, so you can try this kit, and that was MK. So MK, please just email me your address. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, what I've decided to do is you guys know. Here it is. I am obsessed with Juno, okay? I am not sponsored by them, by the way, at all. I buy my own products. Obsessed with the cleansing balm. I gave this to everyone. I mean, my neighbors, my daughters, my hairdresser, and they're like, it's so awesome. I'm like, yeah, I know. So in this video, I am going to pick, I ordered 5 today. So when you win today, please keep in mind it may take a week and a half or 2 for me to get it to you, because it's got to be mailed to me. Got to box it up and mail it to you, okay? But I wanted to just do a few more giveaways. Comment Picker works is you just plug in the URL of the video that you want to pick the winners from. So it's going to be the one where these giveaways happen. Now, I will say this because I do want to make it fair for everyone, that if your name was already picked, I'm going to pick another person, just because I want as many people to get something as possible. So I hope that's okay with everybody. So what I'm going to do is I just say get YouTube comments. So it just will say right here start, and I'm going to start it. And then you can see it's literally going through and it's going to pick someone. I can't read, so Linda S. So Linda, I am going to send you a Juno when it comes in. So I'm saving I gotta save it here. Boop. Okay, so Linda, congratulations. So I'm gonna pick 3 of them, all right? So again, a little pick right here, boom. And again, we're going through, and Christina Bowles. It's so sweet. And I love reading your comments, so it's really neat. So I am going to here, and again, just pick the winner. Oops, there we go. Okay, see, I can't see. Southern Bells, that's cute. Southern Bells, so you won the 3rd. Oh, let's do one more. I ordered 5. What the heck? Did I order 5? If not, I have another one. I ordered 5. Pretty sure let's do one more. I love doing this. All right, we're gonna pick another one. Let's go, here we go. Last one, you guys. All right, Hala Bakri, Hala Bakri. So yay. Congratulations to all the winners. Please keep in mind the last 4 winners that I just picked for the Juno, that I have to actually get it and then mail it out to you. So it will be a couple weeks, I'm sure, because I just ordered them today. So congratulations to all the winners. Remember, you must email me your address, and I am going to today is Saturday, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday morning. If I have not heard from you, I am going to pick another winner if you have not contacted me within 3 days. Okay, so guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, and once again, congratulations to all the winners.